Eubacteria. More commonly known as just bacteria, eubacteria are a member of a large group of unicellular microorganisms that have cell walls but lack organelles and an organized nucleus, including some that can cause disease. Unicellular meaning it only has one cell, and because it is a prokaryote, it's the dominant living creature on Earth, and it also has no nucleus and genetic material is not separated from the rest of the cell. Bacteria has special cell walls with peptidoglycan, a coat of sugar and amino acids. It also makes its own food or eats other organisms, and most bacteria come in three common shapes: spherical, rod-like, or curved. Bacteria is one of the smallest living entities on Earth, its average size being around 2 micrometers. Eubacteria can live almost anywhere, from your walls to your carpet, to deep-sea vents, from your mouth to your digestive system. Their habitats consist of almost everywhere on Earth.
Eubacteria are very diverse in the ways that they obtain nutrients. Some can get their energy from light, such as phototrophic organisms, while others get their nutrients from organic compounds or inorganic compounds. Because of eubacteria's metabolic diversity, they play an important role in biochemical cycles such as carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus cycles. Eubacteria cells can reproduce sexually or asexually. In very favorable conditions, they can divide up to once every 20 minutes. To move, some bacteria have a single tail-like flagellum, or a small cluster of flagella, which rotate in coordinated fashion, a lot like a propeller on a boat, to push the organ. One example of eubacteria would be E. coli. They are found in the gut of many warm-blooded hosts, including humans. Though most strains are harmless, some can cause food poisoning and other illnesses. E. coli can only survive outside of a host for a limited amount of time. Another example of eubacteria is S. pneumoniae. This bacteria is found in healthy hosts in the respiratory tract, nasal cavity, and sinuses. It can become pathogenic and spread to other parts of the body, causing pneumonia and meningitis in hosts with an impaired immune system.
Some current statistics and research in the field dealing with this kingdom include that Eubacteria was previously under the kingdom name Monera alongside Archaeobacteria. Due to their differences between the two, they were later divided up into their own kingdom. Some advantages and disadvantages for society include that some eubacteria are helpful in the aid of curd, which is a dairy product that we use. Some eubacteria can also be harmful and cause diseases such as meningitis and tuberculosis.
Thank you so much for listening and paying attention to our video. We really hope you learned something about eubacteria and the importance it plays in our society.